Oh boy, I just can't wait to see how that novel ends. What on earth is that on my face? Oh, get it off me! Get it off now! Ooh! Did someone mix something in my breakfast? Why is it a different color now? Who is playing that music? Oh, damn! It scared the crap out of me! What is all over my door? Glitter? Are you kidding me? I hate glitter! Steamy steam, can't wait to be clean. What are you doing in my house, you little brat? No! What happened to my TV? My favorite show was about to start. Today's the day I make the front cover of the paper. I mean, who else could it be? Ah! My hand! My hand! Oh, it hurts so bad! Is that all you have, loser? Ah, my beautiful hair. Everyone must be so jealous. I'm definitely the best chef in the world. Happy birthday to me, la 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 la. Happy birthday to me, la 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 la. Disgusting. Disgusting. Don't you dare touch my doorbell again. I'm looking forward to having my favorite breakfast. Oh, I'm looking forward to having my favorite breakfast. This will always be my favorite show. Oh, ow, 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 ow. Oh, oh, oh. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Ooh. Ha 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 ha. Oh. There goes that stupid bell again. How did this newspaper get on the sofa? Oh, you rubbish prankster! I look fabulous today! I will find and kill all rabbits! Oh, I will find and kill you! I will get you now, rats, and skin you alive! I will hang you by your tail, you rat! Wow, I'm really beautiful. I like a makeover. I will make sure you'll never bother me again. I'm sorry, please don't hurt me.